I'm Rob Schoenherr. I am the product manager for mounted products for the Americas. And what we want to do is go over our lines that we carry, from our radial insert ball bearings to our SAF units to the SES units, and finally to our split CRBs. Begin with our radial insert ball bearings. Here we have our two different versions. We have our ISO and our JIS standard, both available in inch and metric. They are all branded under the ENA brand name. Next, we will go into our split plumber blocks. We have our SAF series. We have SDAF, which is the larger size. We have SES, which is metric, and SNS, which is the large size metric housings. All these housings have available ports on them for accessories that include our lubricators and our condition monitoring. Finally, we will end with our split cylindrical housed roller bearing units. Additionally, don't forget our accessories. We carry the complete line accessories from standard products, our LER rings, our SNWs, our adapters, to our specialty seals. All these are supported by our spherical roller bearings.